about continuous medical education and how do you keep yourself abreast with all the latest development in the medical field?
So, for any doctor and in that matter whoever is in the medical profession, he has to be keep his knowledge updated every time. And for this, to keep his knowledge updated, he has to attend CMEs, and he also has to attend various webinars, and he has to read or go through various journals. So, CMEs are very essential to keep his knowledge updated. So, I feel a medical profession is a lifelong learner. So, he always has to attend the CMEs, always has to attend the webinars, so that he can update himself. So, for a patient care or a proper patient care, so one doctor or medical professional should always keep his knowledge updated. This is very essential, because nowadays there is a lot of changes going on in day-to-day basis. So, for any medical professional to keep abreast of all these things, he has to attend CMEs.
Thank you, sir. So, sir, how to balance this need of continuous medical learning with your professional responsibilities?
Yeah, that is a very difficult task for any person, especially who is busy with his practice. It is very difficult to balance the timings, but somehow maybe in the after hours of his clinics, or on the holidays, or in the Sundays, like that he can dedicate some time. Otherwise, we will be losing the touch with the subjects, we will be losing the latest developments. So, somehow we have to find out some time, we have to take out some time, and we have to attend the CMEs.
Thank you, sir. So what is your opinion about platforms like Medvarsity that encourage this continuous medical learning?
So, that is a very fantastic thing what Medvarsity is doing. Today I have attended one CME program arranged by Medvarsity. The speaker was very nice, the arrangements were very nice. So, these sort of things should be very welcome things, and this is very much helpful for the medical professionals, and I feel Medvarsity is doing a fantastic job in creating CMEs and disseminating the knowledge to the medical professionals.
Thank you, sir. That are so kind words from you, sir. So, sir, I would like to ask, what are the breakthroughs in your field that you find particularly exciting?
So, being a pulmonologist, I feel the breakthroughs in the pulmonology is mainly interventions. There are a lot of interventions are coming, and there are a lot of new interventions in the pipeline which have not been there a decade or 2 decades ago. Like nowadays we are seeing robotic bronchoscopy, robotic brachytherapies, many things are coming in, especially in the field of pulmonology. So, if Medvarsity takes these sort of things to create or to enhance the skills in the interventional pulmonology, so that will be very useful for the medical community, especially for the pulmonology fraternity.
Thank you for sharing that, sir. So, lastly, sir, what would be your one advice to the young medical professionals who are just starting out in their medical career?
So, for the young medical professionals, my advice is not only clinical practice or not only concentrating on the commercial aspects of the practice, also they should show them interest in upgrading their knowledge, upgrading their skills, and sharing their knowledge wherever they acquire the new things, and they should participate in the CME activities. This is very essential.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge and insights with us.